guys, welcome back to day 2. This is an excellent view from Sceva's garden home. Alright, so this is the room. I had a very good sleep last night. It was so comfortable. The weather is absolutely amazing. I love it. Alright, so right now I'm transferring my files, that is day 1 files, to the laptop. While that's happening, I'll do the room tour very quickly. So this is the bed. Alright, so these are my bags. This is another mirror, and there is another mirror inside. This is the toilet. Yeah, a lot of mirrors. I like that. So this is the toilet. We have a bathtub. Yeah, that is my jacket. And my helmet and tag bag and whatnot. Alright, so this is a swimming pool. I'll show you guys around the resort in just a second, and make sure you guys don't miss the cinematic that I'm gonna do right now. So this is basically a homestay, not resort. So yeah, this is a common balcony for both of the rooms. There's one room over there, and that is mine. Yes, yeah, you can see my bike. Look at that. So about the food is excellent. It's actually a homestay, so there's a family of 4 in here with us. They stay in the same building, and yeah, it's all homely food. The food is excellent. I just want to say that I feel like I'm in my home. I couldn't resist shooting a complete cinematic sequence of this homestay. This is truly one of the best places I've stayed, not in terms of the budget, but the ambience, atmosphere, people, etc. Alright guys, I hope you guys like the cinematics. Right now me and Ben, we are heading to top station Munnar. It's a viewpoint in here. It's about 50 or 60 kilometers. Bye. 45 kilometers. The roads are very steep in here. I have a pillion right now. His name is Ben. He is the owner of the resort, and he is helping me with the locations, showing me around Munnar. So I'm currently staying at Adimali. It's not exactly Munnar. It's about 30 to 40 kilometers from Munnar. I'm pretty sure my exhaust is a lot louder than yesterday. I don't know why. Photo point. എവിടെയാ? ഏതാ? സ്ട്രെയിറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, അതിൻ്റെ ആ സൈഡിലാണ് വീട്. ഓക്കെ, ഓൾറൈറ്റ്. സോ ദ ടോപ്പ് സ്റ്റേഷൻ ഇസ് 37 kilometers more. Oh my god, there's a shit ton of people here. Okay, so this is the dam. Madupatti. Absolutely not hot in here. It's very chill, even though the sun is right on me. Oh my god. Don't tell me that's traffic over there. A lot of vehicles are parked, I suppose. I don't think it's traffic. This was traffic. Shit.
അവിടുന്ന് പാരാഗ്ലൈഡ് ചെയ്ത് അങ്ങോട്ട് പോകും.
ഓ, അതെത്രയാ? അതിനൊക്കെ എത്രയാ?
അല്ല, അതില്ല. അങ്ങനെ
വലിയ കാര്യത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞപ്പോ ഞാൻ വിചാരിച്ചു അതൊക്കെ കാണാൻ ചുമ്മാ. ഇവിടെ ഇരിക്കാം, ഞാൻ ഇപ്പുറത്തിരിക്കാം.
യൂട്യൂബിലെ
അതെ,
ഞാൻ
കാണാറുണ്ടോ?
ബാംഗ്ലൂരല്ലേ?
അതെ, ബാംഗ്ലൂര്.
ഗോവ പോയിട്ട് വന്നല്ലോ.
ആ, ഗോവ പോയിട്ട് വന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. അവൻ്റെ പേരെന്താണ്? റൂബൻ. നൈസ് ടു മീറ്റ് യു. ഇതെങ്ങനെ തുടങ്ങാലോ. പിന്നെ alright, so we just had some good food. Now we are heading back to the room. Top station. Okay, so that's it for the day 2. I hope you guys like the cinematics. So you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.